Do you feel like your bank balance is disappearing like magic at the end of the month? If I told you a formula that could help you control your expenses and increase your savings, wouldn't you want to know? Even a small mistake can cost you dearly, so watch till the end. Hello friends, I'm Imran Khan and you are watching Vim Money Mindset. Welcome to the second video of our Zero to Hero Finance series. Today we will learn budgeting so you can become the master of your money and not the other way around. There was a time when I was also frustrated with my expenses, but today I am financially free. How? That's the secret I'm going to share with you today. In this video you will learn the magic of the 50-30-20 rule, budgeting tools that will make your life easier, saving habits that will lead you to financial success. Question: are you ready to control your expenses and move towards a prosperous life? Let's begin. First, divide your income into 3 parts. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, movies. 20% for savings and investments. This will secure your future. Example: if your monthly income is 40,000 rupees, approximately $480, 20,000 rupees, approximately $240 for needs, 12,000 rupees, approximately $144 for wants, and 8,000 rupees, approximately $96 for savings and investments. Question: would you like to implement this rule starting today? Now let's talk about the tools that will make budgeting easier. Good Budget. This app helps you track expenses using the envelope system. Mint brings all your bank accounts and bills together in one place. Pocket Guard. This app tells you how much money you have left. Question: are you using any of these apps? If not, download them today. Small habits can lead to big changes. Set automatic savings. Arrange with your bank to transfer a fixed amount to your savings account every month. Identify unnecessary expenses. Are you paying for memberships you don't use? Take advantage of cashback and discounts. Utilize offers while shopping. Interesting fact: did you know that if you save just 100 rupees, approximately $1.20 every day, you would have 36,500 rupees, approximately $438 in a year? If you feel ready to take control of your money, write "My budget, my rules" in the comments and share this video with your friends and family so they can become financially empowered too. Next time, we will discuss why emergency funds are necessary, how to build a 6-month safety net. Stay connected with Vim Money Mindset. Remember, budgeting isn't a restriction, but a tool for freedom. I'm Imran Khan, and I'm with you on this financial journey. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box. Until next time, spend wisely and live happily.